Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Hope all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today's world is changing very fast, so we should be improving day by day ourselves if we want to be successful in our future life. Okay, thank you, our Minister, for giving me the opportunity to get an wonderful presentation. Our presentation topic is evaluation of monthly examinations. So, if I get the permission from you, I can point to monthly examination. Thank you so much, our Minister. Okay. I have to make this with the Adobe Illustrator model and with the Illustrator software that is used for commercial way to financing in the market. Okay, there have two uh, things here. There's not the invoice. I think that you have the choice of there because it's our password. We are not through our advanced or freelancer. We are a new freelancer, so this is our work. I think that we are very pleasurable of here because our presentation topic is remote, wonderful for us. We can show that there's an image space. Image space is very important for us because we are not too advanced or freelancer. At first, I have told of this. In the image space we can make our any image with vector. It's very good opportunity for us. Special thanks to our Amran sir because if he not to teach us, we'll not to learn and to make of this. So special thanks to Amran sir. Okay. This is CV. I have to make CV before, but to guideline of our minister, we have to make of this as also way because there have not to any error here. We have to make as many mistakes, to make this the alignment wrong and the color wrong. But you have to show there that the CV is awesome because of his full guideline. Thank you, sir. Thank you.